You won't believe this. Guys, I found it! My old, forgotten crypto portfolio, the one I hadn't even thought about in ages. What's the result? Did I hit 1,000 times jackpot, or is it a total disaster? Think you know what smart investing looks like? Hold up. Wait till you see what I'm planning to do with these coins. I'll break down my thoughts on every single asset in this forgotten stash. And most importantly, I'll show you exactly how I'm going to reallocate this insane profit or loss into completely different assets, and why my strategy might just blow your mind. This isn't just a story. It's a full-on masterclass in capital rotation that no one else is talking about. Buckle up. This is going to be the most honest and valuable video you'll watch all week. Hit subscribe, smash the like button, and let's uncover the secrets of my old portfolio. Before we jump into the market breakdown and some new altcoin picks, just a quick heads up. This video is not financial advice. It's my personal experience and market view. Always do your own research and invest responsibly. If you've been watching my channel, you already know. I regularly drop fire lists of coins I personally hold. I believe in transparency and trust, which is why I always show you where I put my own money. So, here's the story. A while back, for one of my videos, I created a special portfolio with $10,000. I picked specific coins and allocated funds across them, just so I could track their performance in future updates. Now get this. Just a few days ago, I randomly stumbled across that portfolio. I had completely forgotten about it. It had just been sitting there, untouched, waiting for its time. And when I saw it again, man, the emotions were insane. And let me spoil it for you right now. That portfolio made me more than 2 times profit. Yes, you heard that right. Without me touching it once, this forgotten stash generated massive returns. And today, I'll show you exactly where I'm moving that insane profit. This isn't just about reallocating. This is a strategic game plan you need to see. By the way, if you want me to uncover more of these forgotten portfolios, and trust me, I've got plenty of them, then make sure to subscribe to my Telegram channel. The link is in the description. But warning, it will only be available to the first 50 people. Don't miss your shot to get exclusive access to my real-life investing moves.
3, 2, 1, fire!
All right, let's break down every single coin from the portfolio. I'll tell you exactly what I'm planning to do with each one. Let's start with the first coin, Bitcoin. Honestly, this one doesn't need much of an intro. You already know everything you need to know. I bought it at such low levels, it almost feels surreal. Even with the recent dip down to $117,000, I'm still sitting on nearly a 3 times return from my entry. That's a crazy result. In just a year and a half, we've seen Bitcoin ETFs bringing in billions, massive corporations rushing to accumulate, and even governments shifting their stance, like the US, which no longer sells confiscated BTC but is now reportedly looking to stockpile. So yes, locking in profit here would be the safe move, but I'm going to take a more aggressive route. I'm holding. I believe we'll see another strong leg up, and that's when I'll consider taking profits. Let's move to the second largest position, and again, a great entry. I bought Ethereum long before the Ethereum ETF hype kicked in, which, as you know, brought billions into the market and is still fueling massive attention. Right now, I'm up 78% on Ethereum. Not bad at all, but I'm not selling yet. Instead, I'm planning to set limit orders to take profit once it hits 2 times from my entry. That'll be the perfect time to lock in some gains and rotate them into potentially more explosive altcoins, and I'm confident Ethereum will get there. Next up, Solana. This one's been a banger. I got in at $72, which now looks like a dream entry. Sure, it's pulled back hard from its $300 highs. That's rough, but not the end of the world. We're likely to see a strong rotation of liquidity from more stable assets like Bitcoin and Ethereum into high-performance chains like Solana. And don't forget the upcoming Solana ETF with staking, which could be a huge catalyst. I'm not taking profits on Solana yet. I've got higher price targets in mind. I may even increase my position when the timing is right. More on that later. Now let's talk about the coins that didn't quite live up to expectations. 5 of them are on the chopping block: Cardano, Arbitrum, Optimism, Shiba Inu, and Dogecoin. Remember, this portfolio was built when the market and the sentiment were very different, so the original idea behind these picks no longer applies. Cardano, it gave me a 32% gain, or around $325 profit. That's okay, but the ecosystem feels outdated. There are now much more advanced, faster-growing chains out there. I just don't see the point in holding on to ADA any longer. Arbitrum and Optimism. These L2s were built to be the better version of Ethereum. And honestly, they were. They helped with scaling and fees, but now Ethereum is evolving rapidly on its own. It's scaling, improving efficiency, and solving those same problems natively. So the uniqueness of Arbitrum and Optimism is fading. I'll exit both, even if it means taking a loss, because I see better use of that capital. Shiba Inu and Dogecoin. These are meme legends. They made tons of people rich. Since I bought in, they've given me $63 and $357 profit respectively. Not bad at all for memes. But let's be real, the wild runs are already behind them. Time to make room for the next generation of meme rockets. Oh, and I almost forgot one more. Kaspa. Fantastic project, amazing tech, strong team. I respect the hell out of what they're building. But here's the problem. I get the feeling they're so focused on creating the perfect technology, they forgot to make something people actually need. There's no killer use case that drives mass adoption or gives it that real-world pull. So I'm exiting my position in Kaspa too. No regrets. Now let's wrap up my current portfolio before we move on to the new coins I'm eyeing. Time to talk about the top performer from this entire list. The one that made me a ridiculous return in this portfolio and in my general investments outside this $10,000 experiment. You guessed it, it's Pepe. Honestly, it stings a bit that I found this portfolio so late, because at its peak, my Pepe position was worth $5,500, and I only put in $250. Even now, after the coin dropped more than 50% from the top, I'm still up an insane 750%, which is nearly $2,000 in profit. So close to a 10x. I'd love to just hold this one forever, but not locking in at least some of that profit would be dumb. So I'm taking the smart route. I'm selling 50% of my position. By the way, I didn't just mention Pepe once. I was shouting about it on every dip, calling it the golden ticket. So if you're not subscribed to the channel yet, why not? I drop these golden tickets multiple times a week. You don't want to keep missing out. And last but not least, let's touch on Bonk. I won't go deep here, but Bonk is one of the biggest meme coins in the Solana ecosystem. It recently pumped nearly 50%, which is a solid move, but I believe this is just the beginning. Their pump fund-like product is killing it. They're dominating in the meme launch space. That kind of success brings in constant liquidity and hype. With this kind of traction, Bonk still has a huge upside. And now, let's get to the fun part. But before that, let me remind you one last time. Make sure you're subscribed to the YouTube channel and my Telegram. It's helpful for you. And it gives me the fuel to keep dropping even more fire content. All right, let's move on. But before we do, let's agree on something. This video contains no financial advice. It's only my thoughts and analysis, so make sure to do your own research and invest wisely. My portfolio currently looks like this, and I'm planning to allocate $4,700 across various assets that I find extremely valuable and exciting. So let's go through each project in a bit more detail. Let's start with a hot one. I want to cover a few truly popular and essential niches. Let's begin with Layer 1. First-level blockchains. This is the foundation on which the entire crypto world is built. If you're investing in L1s, look for those where there's active building, lots of developers, new projects launching, and where real value is flowing. Sui, the king of Web3, gaming and DeFi, ready to explode. Why Sui? This isn't just a blockchain, it's a cutting-edge Layer 1 built for instant and ultra-cheap transactions with a unique object-oriented model. Sui is optimized for Web3 games, NFTs, and decentralized finance. This is the future, friends. Catalysts, billions in TVL, millions of wallets, and an ETF on the horizon. Sui's TVL has already crossed $2 billion, making it the third largest non-EVM chain by TVL. The network has over 8 million activated wallets and has processed 2.64 billion transactions. Even after the high-profile Cetus exploit, the Sui Foundation responded immediately, proving the incredible resilience of the network. And most importantly, NASDAQ has filed for a spot Sui ETP through 21 shares. That's a direct path to institutional billions. Sui is a powerful player focused on gaming with growing institutional interest. That's why I'm adding this coin to the portfolio. Even though I missed the tastiest entry points, I still want exposure. I believe $750 is a smart allocation, and I always keep stablecoins ready in case the market dips, so I can average down if needed. Say, lightning-fast trading monster, backed by the state. Why Say? This isn't just another blockchain. This is the market's secret weapon, designed for ultra-high-speed trading. Say is a Layer 1 optimized for DEX and high-frequency trading, with finality in under 400 milliseconds. It's the fastest EVM chain on the planet. Catalysts. Wyoming chose Say. This is a revolution. The biggest news. The Wyoming Stable Token Commission selected Say as one of the finalists for a state-backed stablecoin pilot project. Say received a perfect 30 out of 30 technical evaluation score, outperforming Ethereum and Sui. That's a clear signal to institutions. Ecosystem is booming. $50 million plus daily DEX volume, 8.1 million active wallets plus 74%, TVL over $555 million. USDC supply skyrocketed to $203 million in just 3 months. Giga upgrade and institutional interest. The upcoming Giga upgrade, Parallel EVM, will deliver over 5 gigagas per second throughput. Say is backed by Coinbase Ventures Multicoin Capital and has Jamie Finn, co-founder of Securitize, as an advisor. Say is a high-performance, specialized blockchain with massive support and regulatory recognition. I actually like this entry point even more than Sui. The price is more attractive, and the project is smaller, which gives it even more upside potential. But still, I'm allocating the same $750 and keeping stablecoins ready in case we see deeper dips. Okay, Layer 1s are covered. Now let's move on to the next category. One with just as much potential, AI. This is the most booming sector in the world right now. AI is currently valued at $356 billion. And by 2030, it's expected to reach $1.81 trillion. That's massive ongoing growth, and crypto projects in this space are your golden opportunity. ICP, the brain of decentralized AI, the world computer on the move. Why ICP? This isn't just another coin. This is a true world computer, a Layer 1 blockchain that hosts applications fully on-chain, replacing centralized cloud services. And most importantly, it's the only platform that can run AI models directly as tamper-proof smart contracts. This is true AI decentralization. Catalysts, millions of transactions, hackathons, and the coming AI explosion. ICP already has over 120,000 active canisters daily, 3.5 million transactions daily, 1 million user wallets. Events like the World Computer Summit, WCS25, and World Computer Hacker League, WCHL, are attracting thousands of developers, building what they call a self-writing internet. Tokenomics, a deflationary beast. ICP tokens are burned with every AI model and app computation. The more usage, the more deflationary the token becomes. That means the token's value is directly tied to real-world utility. ICP is an undervalued giant with unique AI capabilities and a massive long-term vision. I'm allocating $750 here as well, with the same plan to keep some dry powder in stablecoins in case the price dips and I want to average in. Let's move on to another interesting asset, RWA, real-world assets. BlackRock, the world's largest asset manager, with $9 trillion under management, has already announced plans to tokenize traditional financial assets. That's a massive signal. billions of dollars are ready to flow into the RWA space. Ondo, the direct bridge between TradFi and crypto. Ondo has strategic partnerships with giants like JP Morgan, BlackRock, BNY Mellon, and Citi. They're not just talking about RWAs, they're building full-scale infrastructure and already managing $1 billion in assets. With its current $3 billion market cap, Ondo has huge upside potential once the RWA market truly takes off. It's a core piece of the tokenized future. I've talked about this asset many times before. I wouldn't say now is the absolute best entry, but considering we're building a portfolio right now, the price doesn't look bad at all, especially since we're still quite far from all-time highs. With the strength of their tech and growth trajectory, I have no doubt we'll at least revisit those highs. So I'm allocating $750 to this token as well. And before we move on to the final asset, let me know in the comments, which coins would you pick for this kind of portfolio? Now let's jump into another fundamental sector, decentralized finance. This is literally the heart of crypto because it fully unlocks the original idea behind cryptocurrencies. Anyone, anywhere, has access to their funds and full control over what they do with them. No KYC, no verification, no registrations, just direct access to investing. Hyperliquid, decentralized perps, wild volumes, and real yield. Why Hyperliquid? This isn't just another DEX, it's the leading decentralized perpetuals exchange operating with insane speed and efficiency. Hyperliquid is known for its record-breaking trading volumes, often competing directly with centralized exchanges. It offers deep liquidity and low fees, attracting even the most demanding traders. Catalysts, real yield tokenomics, and outstanding UX. Hyperliquid features a unique and incredibly attractive real yield model, where a large share of trading fees is either distributed to stakers or used for buybacks. This directly encourages token holding and draws in capital. Their tech offers the best derivatives trading experience in DeFi, attracting millions. Allocation of Hyperliquid is a powerful bet on the future of decentralized derivatives with a proven real yield model. It's already outperformed all of its direct competitors and has become the go-to hub for whales who want direct access to their funds and don't want to deal with centralized platforms. I truly believe this asset should be a cornerstone of any modern portfolio. But, and this is key, it's currently near its all-time highs, so you need to invest carefully. That's why I'm only allocating $500, so I still have room to average in if the price dips. And that's a wrap. My portfolio is now fully refreshed and much more relevant. And trust me, I won't be forgetting about it this time. I'll keep you regularly updated with changes and performance. As always, this is just my personal market outlook, not financial advice. Always do your own research before making any investment decisions. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe, smash the like button, and stay tuned for more altcoin breakdowns. See you soon!